Today I went to the mall with my mom. We ate at Sushi Hero, one of our favorite sushi spots. I ordered some fresh salmon and other dishes. My mom ordered ramen. The broth smelled amazing and looked so comforting. That night, my sibling and I tried chocolate from my friend who brought it from abroad. It tastes unique and definitely addictive. After that, I tried pudding from Puyo. It was super soft. At campus, my friends and I grabbed some snacks from the vending machine. It's fun snacking together during busy days. That night, I even tried making my own dessert at home. The result? Don't try this at home. It was way too sweet. But it was still fun trying something new in the kitchen. Okay, day 3. I met Michelle. It's been a while since we last met because we go to the different campus. So I have to catch up. We met at La Piazza, which was a great place to hang out and chat. We had band practice today for our theater performance. You will see the video. This song is called Jalan Keras. Okay, that was amazing. So day 5. That night I went for a drive with my cousin to get some fresh air and have a chill conversation. We shared some heart-to-heart stories and even planned a little trip together for next week. Got a haircut today since the theater performance is coming up. Gotta look fresh on the stage. Okay, day 6. Hung out at Gita's place with Sepia, Febri, and Alfenda. We chatted, laughed, and bought some food, including a delicious kebab nearby. Went to the softball field at GPK today. It's such a peaceful spot, great for healing while watching people play. Totally recommend it. Finally, day 7. It's theater performance day. My band and I were pretty nervous performing their songs. Here are some photos from the day. Even though the show is over, I still miss all the practice sessions. Those tiring but fun times with my friends, full of laughter and memories.